Good morning, good afternoon, and a good evening, everyone. Today I am trying to reset the throttle body on this 350D that I have. I have changed few things on this car already. New spark plugs, ignition coils, cam angle sensors, and the crank angle sensor. Then I clean the throttle body and install them, and I can't reset them now. So I don't know what's going on. One guy on YouTube, he was talking about something to do with the accelerator pedal. So let's see what he was talking about on his YouTube channel or YouTube video. Okay, so this is the thing that he was talking about. Is on top of the pedal, right there, the greenish kind of bluish, the round bubbly thing. If that one breaks off, then the computer will send the wrong signal. Not computer, sensor will send the wrong signal to the computer. Then car will go on the limp mode. But mine looks perfectly fine. So, okay, so other candidate that I could think of is this guy right here, the throttle body. So when you take the throttle body off, make sure you wedge something into intake like my old t-shirts right there. Okay, just like that, when you take the throttle body off, t-shirts go into the intake, so nothing will go in. Okay, now I just need to move on to the other car that I can take the throttle body off, which is this one. This one runs perfectly fine and all. I just need to take the throttle body off and voila, it's already here on the ground. Okay, so exact the same things as the other car. My old t-shirt goes in there. This car is parked on the side of the road, and this is decently good neighborhood, so hopefully no one will come and tell me off. I already checked the part numbers, it matches, so I just need to reinstall them and it's already done. Oh, here is that new gasket. I only used it once. I didn't want to retighten them over and over just for the testing purpose, so I used the old gasket in there. So new one, I just need to put them on top of the old throttle body, or one may be broken. Okay, before doing all these procedures to reset them, you have to put the car onto the operation temperature. So yeah, I'm just running it right now. Here are the things that you have to do on step by step. However, it's in Japanese obviously, so you're not going to be able to read them, but I will try to explain what you need to do to reset them without having some sort of computer or diagnostic system. I know you can't hear the engines running, but it is running. I am trying to get the engine up to the operation temperature. Okay, once you finish doing that, then you have to shut the engine off, and then you need to prime the system. To do that, you have to turn the ignition on for 2 seconds without starting the engine, then off for 10 seconds. On again for 2 seconds, then off for 10 seconds. After you finish doing that, then wait for 30 seconds. Then you can start resetting the throttle body. To do that, turn the ignition on for 3 seconds, not starting the engine. Leave the ignition on, then hit the accelerator pedal 5 times in 5 seconds. Then wait for 7 seconds. Then you have to fully depress the accelerator pedal for 20 seconds. While you're doing that, the engine check lamp will come on. Then the lamp will start blinking. Once it finishes blinking, then you have to wait for 3 seconds and turn the ignition on. So my car is currently idling about 700 I did not clean this throttle body, so 700 is within the reason. Factory spec is about like 650, so yeah, that's okay. Now I know my suspect is the throttle body, so I have to change them. I can just go on about the used one, but used one gonna be doing the exact same things in near future. So another choice is I could just go with like some cheap one, brand new, but it's really expensive. However, it's gonna be doing the exact same things in near future as well. So Hitachi one is the factory spec, OEM spec, however you call it, and that cost about like 150 in US. So including shipping to New Zealand, it's going to be about like 220 somewhere around there in US. And then that's the best bet, because that's going to last for another 10 to 15 years, maybe longer. So I could buy the rebuilt one from Japan that cost about 320 somewhere around there. So yeah, might as well just buy the brand new one. That makes more sense, isn't it? Okay, so this is it for today, and thanks for watching. Bye.